Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Nonstop VR, where we tell you everything about virtual reality. In today's video, we will tell you all the latest news about the latest technology. Today we are here with a fascinating topic. We never fail to amaze you with surprising and exciting facts. Today's topic is the Chillout VR. We are talking about the Chillout VR. Is the newest and exciting addition to the VR social app game where you can explore content in massively multiplayer metaverse alone or with friends or anyone. I want to show you guys a new game that is an alternative VRChat. This game is called Chillout VR. Probably this world is from VRChat. It is called the Home Box. But before I get into those details, I want to show you a little bit. Open the menu and click the button. The menu will show you a quick menu. You can call and DM people. There is a normal menu now. There is a call placeholder here, and there will be an ability to call people in the game. You can send friend requests to each other. They will add it and you can DM people as well. You can go to upload an avatar. It also has a video camera. Respawn Advanced Avatar, which is for your toggles on your avatar. Connect Creations Tool Master Key and you will copy that. You can go to upload an avatar and replicate that. And then you can start going through the uploaded content to Chillout VR. Control the media. You can mute and unmute the audio in this game. You have to control the media. There is a speaker mode here. Immediately you can check your current location. There is a search button that finds the words you like. Meet new people and analyze virtual worlds together. You can explore the various worlds. It's a place where you can assemble and hang out with like-minded people. The forum can be a little overwhelming for newbies, but it becomes an exciting place once you start exploring the various worlds. How to make a VRChat world private. You can publicize your world with all the basic features in place. First, you will need to select whether what you have created is a test builder or one that you will publish on VRChat. In both test and publish, you will find the last build and the new build buttons. As the title recommends, last build will take you to your last project, while new build will let you set a new world together. What happened to VRChat? If you like the video, make sure to subscribe as we put a lot of effort into bringing you the best content on the platform. The inventor of VRChat has banned all mods for its virtual reality-based social platform, and the community is very depressing. As declared by PC Gamer, VRChat would soon present easy anti-cheat, a common PC counter-hacking and cheating service used in games including Elden Ring, Fortnite, and more. It's being introduced because the developers' maliciously modified clients allow users to attack and taunt others, causing a huge amount of moderation cases. The most chill-out 2022 vibes out there. They are updated regularly. Just sit back and chill out. Listen to the beats of Summer Lounge, Lounge Chill Out, Beach Music, Chill Beats, and Summer Chill Out. Recent updates. We are examining reports of issues with connectivity to VRChat services and login. All services have been re-enabled and the happening has been fixed. Services are being re-enabled slowly and connections are being enabled in a throttle-controlled manner to ensure server stability. Its camera has a new system. Replaced the camera with a new system. The new camera has a system for executing camera modes. These modes are included by default. Camera extension. Its camera attached us to the world. Local player. Toggles if the local player is seeable for the camera web player. Toggles if other players are visible for the camera. Grayscale. Uses grayscale filter. Sepia. Uses sepia filter. Auto direction. Eases general brightness when too bright or expands it when it is too dark. Chroma key. Disables all layers except the two-player layers and substitutes the skybox with green. Player face tracking. Automatically indicates the camera at you. Night vision. Applies a night vision filter that expands brightness. Autofocus. Applies a deepness of field effect that is focused on what the camera is indicated at. What difference between Chillout VR? What is the difference between these two platforms and which one should I choose? The latest factor I will be discussing between Neos and Chillout VR is which platform is it easier to port over avatars from VRChat, that is without having fully redo animations, fizzbone, etc. And in this instance, Chillout VR is probably the way to go. VRChat uses the VRChat SDK. In contrast, Chillout VR uses the content creation kit. No EAC. As reported by PC Gamer, VRChat announced it would soon introduce Easy Anti-Cheat, a common PC counter-hacking and cheating service used in games. How to get early access. First, when you go to Chillout VR, you click on the Community Hub on the Steam Store page and then see the discussion on how to get to our VR. You click Get to Chillout VR on Steam now, ask to create an account and get the confirmation email. You can put your email and it just need to get your account information and then log in. And that's all for today, guys. So what do you think about today's video? Let us know in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.